be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better.
Hey sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I am sharing with you a fridge clean out and a weekly Walmart grocery haul. So I'm going to start out cleaning the fridge. This wasn't too bad, but I wanted to go ahead and give everything a good wipe down. Sometimes things get spilled in there and I just wanted to go ahead and get it wiped out before I go get my grocery pickup order. So I'm going to get this cleaned out. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. You get some motivation and inspiration. If you like videos like this, please leave it a big thumbs up and join my YouTube family by hitting that red subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get on into cleaning the fridge.
Show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you.
So I had to show you here all of the crumbs and everything that was in the crack of the door here. I wanted to show you this because this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to clean out the refrigerator was this, I guess, gasket seal, the door seal. I don't even know what the proper term for that is, but there's a whole bunch of crumbs and dust and just debris in there. You can see that there on the towel. So that's what really motivated me to wipe out the fridge today and wipe down the front of it, was opening the fridge door and seeing that every time I would open it. So I wanted to go ahead and get it clean and then wipe down the outside of it. And once that's clean, we are going to head out to go grab the groceries.
Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
Okay, so this is a Walmart pickup haul. It was $150. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you everything I got. Got some white hamburger buns. We're gonna have burgers one night on the grill. So I went ahead and got some of these. We could also have Sloppy Joes one night too, so these could be for 2 dinners. I got some croissants again. My husband is really liking the chicken salad to take for lunches. So I got croissants. It'll make lunches for him and I. And then, of course, our bag of grapes. Grapes are like a staple in our house. We got some fruit punch body armor this week. 3 of these romaine hearts. I'm gonna make some barbecue chicken Caesar salad with these. And I got some whole carrots. I'm gonna shred these up and make a veggie pizza. Some green onion for the veggie pizza as well. And then some grated Parmesan cheese. I usually grate my cheese myself, but I asked for a block, they gave me this, that's fine. But this is gonna be for those Caesar salads. Real bacon bits for the Caesar salad. Some Nesquik for the kids. They were asking for chocolate milk, so I went ahead and got some Nesquik for them. Some mandarin oranges. My husband specifically asked for these for his lunches, so I got those for him. Some creamy Caesar dressing. That's what happens when you get creamy and Caesar put together. Creasy. Caesar dressing for the salads. Some Dijon mustard because I need this for a recipe. My honey garlic chicken and veggies. I use Dijon mustard in the sauce, so I needed some of that. We haven't had croutons with a salad in a while, so I got these garlic butter flavored croutons to go on our salad. A big box of the yogurts. There's 12 in here. These will be for the kids for breakfast. My husband also wanted those to pack in his work lunches. Some original pepperoni if we want to make mini pizzas or charcuterie boards. 2 of the crescent rolls. These are for the veggie pizza, so I got 2 of those. A head of broccoli for the veggie pizza, and then snacking Irish cream, International Delight coffee creamer. I cannot talk today. I'm putting all of my words together. Whole milk and some sour cream, which goes with that recipe for the veggie pizza. Some fresh pineapple to snack on. Some Gala apples for apples dipped in caramel or just snacking purposes. And my kids are getting bigger now. Getting bigger now, so we don't have to do just kid plates anymore, but we didn't have any plastic plates, and these were only 50 cents at Walmart per plate, and they're pretty thick, so I got 2 blue for my son and then 2 of this light pink for my daughter. That way they got some more plates. 2 of the Sun Chips Harvest Cheddar and Garden Salsa, and then a box of Donut Shop coffee. Some pistachios. My husband takes these to work. Me and the kids snack on them. We just love pistachios around here, so we got those. For meats this week, I got some ground beef hamburger patties for the burgers on the grill, and then some turkey bacon. I want to make some egg bites, and then I also need this for breakfast if we have it for the week. And last for the food is a bunch of bananas. There's 5 bananas here. I was running low on conditioner, so I just got a cheap thing of conditioner. And our garbage can is under our kitchen sink, and so I'm always looking for ways to just kind of reduce the odors that are in the kitchen from the garbage can until it's full. So we got some air fresheners for that, and then some Airwick refills. I don't use the plugins too often, but from time to time I like to get them, and it's just fun. I do still use my essential oil diffuser, and that's what I mainly use, but sometimes these are just nice for like bathrooms and stuff, the places that the diffusers aren't in, so I got those. And then I got another package of pull-ups for my daughter at night, and so that's all of our $150 grocery haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to putting all of this away. Okay, so this is the after. It has all been cleaned out and restocked. Door has been cleaned, and then it's all been restocked. So milks, juices, coffee creamer, orange juice, drinks. Down here we have our eggs, and then some more yogurts, body armors, some fruit cups, a big thing of yogurt back there. There is some fruit from last week in here, and some cucumbers, and then all of our meats and cheeses, meats to use for the week. Some more drinks down there, and here are some vegetables, taco shells, and then in here is our apples and some peppers. So that is the overview of restocking the. Thank you all so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're in need of prayer, please leave it down in the comments. I would love to say a prayer for you. But until I see you in the next one, I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye, y'all.
Start to get dressed and